Hey, it's Carl, and I just get to have fun and build stuff. We're building a muffler. I can't tell you what it's for though, but just have fun and watch, because every day I get to play. I mean, what job has more fun than this, huh? There just isn't one. Round we go. Round and round and round we go. Where she stops, nobody knows. Well, actually, we stop once we get all the way around. It's like a hot knife through butter. Well, when we're done, it's just going to look like this little part right here. You can see these two little raises right in there and there. We'll cut those. And the cross section, that's kind of what it looks like on each side. This guy right here. And there's the cross section, hollowed out and carved out. So, if you need any machine parts, just stop by Jan's Engineering and we'll carve something up for you. Thanks. Have a good day.